Alrighty, people. Beautiful day in the markets. Mullen's going to do its thing soon. There's this thing called the Elliott Wave, which is used as like a formula to determine when short squeezes are going to happen and predict them. And basically, it's a 5-step pattern. And if you go back to February when we went from 50 cents, 52 cents to $2, down to 75 cents, up to $4.18, back down to the 78 cents. We're now on that fifth wave, being above the 78 cents, and it should be the squeeze from here. Something interesting about the market, the VIX follows like the downtrend of the market. And so if you look at the same times, like basically 2 weeks ago, it's gone way up over 30, down to 25, up over 30, down to 25. And now we're back on that fifth run up. So as anyone watches the Elliott waves, Mullen's looking super good. Like Mullen has like an Elliott wave in the last 2 weeks and in the last 2.5 months, and you can almost chart two of them. And then the same thing with the market as well, actually. And so it's pretty interesting. I'm super happy about today. I'm so glad to see that the market's just not roaring still, because it shows that we're still a threat. As long as you see market crashes like this, it means there's still a threat in the market. Now, I did happen to raise some more capital, and so I want to show you guys where I plan to put it. It won't be in until tomorrow. Basically, I'm going to buy these 250s right here on June 10th, and I'm probably going to buy 2,000 of them. And when it hits $7.50, $8, I'm probably going to take out this $1 million. Now, that 2,000 is only going to cost $10,000, so the other $15,000, I'm going to come down here probably to the Julys and hit the 6 or the 750s, depending on which ones I can fill for 5 cents a contract, with the other $15,000. And as long as I can get a $5 contract, I'll be happy. These I'm holding until 20 or whatever. But basically, when I cash out these in June 10th, when it hits $7, $8, I should have close to $1 million. And I'm going to cash that out, just those options. And basically, between me and people that have invested, like, we're actually down a lot of money since AMC and this. I got a little too aggressive in AMC during that squeeze, and this one we've just been betting that it's going to go to the moon for the last 2.5 months. And with this one, I'm going to cash out that $1 million and at the $7-8 range. And if it drops back down to $3 or $4, like, we're going to leave half of that $500,000. And we're going to throw all that $500,000 right back in if it goes back to $3, $4, $5. And so that's my game plan, people. I'll probably dollar cost average back into options with the other $500,000 if it decides to drop from the point that we cash it out. Otherwise, I'm going to let the majority of my options, which will be well over 3, 4, 5,000 contracts, just go 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's go. You guys will know when I sell, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up of this game plan just in case anyone else wants to do something similar. Good luck, people.